Hey guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is week 2 of the weekly check-in. Now the weekly check-in is going to go from the 9th through the 15th. And we're just going to get started. Make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you're doing in the weekly check-in. And if you have a channel, let me know also. And then we are using my Erin Condren. As always, if you are new, I absolutely love my Erin Condren. And if you want to buy your own Erin Condren, the link will be down below. You get $10 off of your first purchase. And then I get $10 in points that I can use for like stationery and pens. But like I said, you don't have to buy the planner. You can buy stickers, stationery. There's stuff for teachers. Anything you want, you can think of. Erin Condren has it. Alright, so first day on Thursday, we are going to do our no spins as always. So Thursday the 9th, Friday the 10th, 12th, no spin also, and then the 15th was a no spin. So you guys, y'all gonna laugh. Seriously, I have been running low on no spins and I've been trying to order them, but you know, ordering is taking forever because of everything that's going on. So I literally have like different stickers. So there's this one from Romina. I'm pretty sure I butchered her, but she has a YouTube. I got these. Then I got the Tempest XOXO's designs, and then I have my last no spin from Simply Cami. They're all awesome. Go check them out. All right, so the 9th, the 10th, the 12th, and then the 15th. Now I really do need the other stickers needs to come on. But anyways, that is my no spins. As you can see, just going to zoom y'all in just a little bit just so y'all can see that more clear. I really don't like these stickers because you can't really see it, which is really sad, but you know, it is fine. Alright, so on the 11th, as always, it is the grocery and gas. But you guys, I didn't buy gas on Saturday. I know, it's crazy, right? Instead, I got some groceries at Walmart. It was $45. I always do a grocery haul, you guys, so stay tuned for that. That is on every Sundays when I do that. So that is everything that I spent on Saturday the 11th. Now on the 13th, I did buy something off of my cushion. I bought an Amazon gift for one of my friends. So that was $13, and I accidentally, so mine and Jared's like debit card is attached to the Amazon, and I always forget to switch his debit card to my debit card, so I always have to pay him through Venmo because I always forget, you guys. Alright, on the 14th, we had a food truck that came to our apartment, and it was a hot dog stand, which was really cool, really tasty, because they had like Nathan's hot dogs, and they are the best hot dogs. But anyways, food truck was $6. And then we use the cushion again, so we had food. So we had McDonald's the same day. I know, the struggle. And then I transferred $20 for the 52-week challenge. And then last but not least, I bought gas on that Tuesday, and that was $29. Alright, and that's really it. I haven't really been spending a lot of money because of everything that's going on. So just a recap before we flip over to the weekly check-in and count our money and all that good stuff. Alright, so the 9th was a no spend, so was the 10th. 11th, we went grocery shopping, which was $45. The 12th was a no spend. The 13th was Amazon for $13 for a gift. On the 14th, we had a food truck. We went to McDonald's, and then I transferred 52-week challenge, which was $41 total, and then gas was $29. And then there was a no spend on Wednesday. Let's move on to the weekly check-in. Alright, so for groceries, I spent $45. Gas, I spent $29. Fun money, I spent $6. Cushion, I spent, it's 41 and 13, so that's 51, 56, 51, 52, 53, 54, $54 for cushion. And then sinking funds, I did not spend anything, with leaving it at $1,450. Now we're going to go to the calculator. 56 minus 45 is $11 remaining. 40 minus 29 is $11 also. That's weird. 19 minus 6 is $13. And then cushion is 55 minus 54 is a whopping $1, you guys. I've never had it that low before, which is crazy. Alright, so that is the end of our week 2. So this is how much I should have. Not counting these two, 11, 13, and another 11. 11 plus 11 plus 13. So $35 will be going towards sinking funds. So we're just going to count this real quick, you know, just so these numbers will match the envelope that I have. Alright, groceries. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I will say that fun money, I did put that $1 back. If you have seen my 52-week challenge, you will know that I had $1 extra left over. So I think I put it back in my fun money. So just to let y'all know if it comes over $1. Alright. Gas was $11, 5, 10, and 11. I have some coins in there I gotta put in my coin jars. And then fun money. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $13. Oh, it was perfect then. It must be, oh wait, I was about to freak out. Never mind, that was the gas. $13. Alright, you guys, so all of that is going to go into my weekly, my cash envelope, so stay tuned for that. That will be on Saturday at 8:30. It should be posted at 8:30, so be on the lookout for that, you guys. But that is it, you guys. So that is my weekly check-in. That is my week 2. That ran from the 9th through the 15th. Let me know again how y'all are doing, and what are y'all doing this weekend? I have no idea. But I do have some great news if you have watched all the way through this. And I have some really, really good news. And I'm probably going to announce it maybe in May. So be on the lookout for that. It's not set in stone what kind of is, but I will, if everything goes right, the announcement will be in May. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great rest of the week and the weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.